But this is Damian Turner, and Damian was a youth organizer, a member of the community, a member of Southside Together Organizing for Power, and a co-founder of Fearless Leading by the Youth. And Damian was shot on 61st and Cottage Grove on August 15, 2010, and he was taken all the way to Northwestern Hospital when he was already 3 blocks away from the University of Chicago Medical Center. And so we felt as if Fearless Leading by the Youth felt as if that was a trauma center on the South Side, then lives like Damian's and lives like other people who end up in car accidents or any other kind of traumatic injury would actually have a chance at survival if there was a hospital that they can reach within 5 miles versus 10 miles, which is how long it takes to get to Northwestern from the south side of Chicago. And so Fearless Leading by the Youth for the past 2 years has been fighting to get a trauma center. We've been speaking to aldermen, we've been speaking to state reps, we've spoken to the University of Chicago several times, and they told us no, we haven't received a positive response from them the entire time. So this is why we're taking action, and we're going to continue to take action. We're going to continue to educate people on the necessities like trauma centers and mental health clinics and how important those resources are to our community. Not just for the reason like it's a family thing. It's our mothers, our fathers, our children, our sisters, and our brothers. They need the access to this stuff just as much as we do as individuals. So this is our fight, and we're going to continue to fight it, and we're going to continue to spread our message and our word about it.